Let's talk about the sector that's making a comeback. The FMCG sector, well, that's outperformed the Nifty this week. And Nuvama has maintained a positive outlook on FMCG stocks, like Britannia. Here's a breakdown of all the key factors. Well, first up, the SkyMat's call for a normal monsoon forecast. Well, that bodes well for agricultural production, which can help keep food prices stable and also support FMCG consumption. So that's point number one. Next up, initially the fear was that the heat wave will have a significant impact on the wheat crop. But the wheat crop is actually better than expected. And if the wheat crop is good, then it's beneficial as a key raw material and also it could help margins going forward. That's for the rest of FY26. The other factor at play, and that's both a tailwind for the economy as well as for the markets and for the FMCG pack as well, which is crude oil prices. That's at the lowest we've seen in the last 4 years or so. That helps in reducing packaging cost, which will directly help in improving the margins for all FMCG companies. And finally, starting from the second quarter of this fiscal, demand recovery is anticipated. And there's a few factors at play. Lower food inflation, which will make products more affordable for consumers. The interest rates cuts, well, that will help in lower EMIs. Those that have EMIs on homes, on cars as well, that could free up some disposable income. The salary class as well will benefit from the tax rebates, which will increase their purchasing power. And finally, a good monsoon outlook, well, that's good for agricultural production and also it will support consumer spending. The main risk that Nuvama highlight, though, is that the cost advantages will fully be passed on to the end consumer. That's what could limit any kind of margin expansion that we are likely to see for FMCG companies. So week to date, that index has made a comeback. To give you a number, I think the FMCG index in this week is up close to around 2.5%. Well, the Nifty is down close to around 2.5% or thereabouts. So big outperformance is what you've seen in this week after underperforming for the last 7 to around 8 months. Prakash, what do you like from here?
So, Nigel, it's quite interesting, and this is a leverage that our community has. We can start